Welcome to TimeBeat Breaking News Channel. Here are our breaking news today.
1. U.S. deaths from heart disease and diabetes climbed amid COVID. 2. The controversial California work mask rules has been withdrawn.
COVID-19. U.S. deaths from heart disease and diabetes climbed amid COVID. Heart disease, diabetes, and other chronic killers all witnessed significant rises in death rates in the United States in 2020, and specialists believe one reason is that many people with hazardous symptoms avoided going to the hospital for fear of contracting the coronavirus. Researchers have known for months that 2020 will be the bloodiest year in U.S. history, according to COVID-19. However, new statistics released this week revealed the largest rise in heart disease and diabetes death rates in at least 20 years. I would probably use the word "alarming," Dr. Tanaz Moin, a diabetes expert at UCLA said. Of those deaths, more than 345,000 were directly attributed to COVID-19. The CDC also provided the numbers of deaths for some of the leading causes of mortality, including the nation's top 2 killers, heart disease and cancer. Of the causes of death for which the CDC had full-year provisional data, 9 registered increases. Those included Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's, chronic liver disease, stroke and high blood pressure. Some experts believe a larger reason is that many patients did not seek treatment in an emergency because they feared becoming infected with the virus. During the crisis, many people neglected their health, gaining weight or ceasing to take their high blood pressure meds. Experts suggested the stress of the crisis, the elimination of exercise choices as a result of the lockdown, and the loss of jobs and the associated health insurance were all causes.
COVID-19. The controversial California work mask rules has been withdrawn. California's workplace regulators have withdrawn a controversial pending mask regulation while they consider a rule that more closely aligns with Governor Gavin Newsom's promise that the state will fully reopen from the pandemic on Tuesday. The California Occupational Safety and Health Standards Board's revised rule, adopted last week after it was initially rejected, would have allowed workers to forego masks only if every employee in a room is fully vaccinated against the coronavirus. The board's decision late Wednesday to withdraw that worksite rule before it goes into effect allows the board to consider changes at its June 17 meeting and potentially have them go into effect by month's end. The unanimous resolution aims to alter the workplace guideline, such that it aligns with the CDC and the California Department of Public Health, so that we're all on the same page, according to board chairman David Thomas. That's why we're doing this, to make sure we're not behind the times. The change came after State Health Officer Dr. Tomas Aragon told board members at a hastily called special meeting that the state will end most masking rules for people who have been vaccinated next week, while unvaccinated people will still be required to wear face coverings in indoor public places and businesses. Public transportation, indoor school courses, healthcare and penal facilities, and locations like homeless shelters and cooling centers are among the exceptions, according to Aragon. Under the broad regulations, individual firms are also entitled to force everyone to stay disguised, he added.
Thank you for watching. We help you stay up to date all the news hourly. Please subscribe our channel to follow up the latest one.